Allen here for our presentation assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 31st of March 2023 and we're here to celebrate all those children in Year 3 and Year 4 who've earned themselves presentation certificates this term. So throughout this spring term, you won't see a great deal of me, you're just going to see amazing children. So over to Year 3 and Year 4 children. And first we're going to see the house points and merits. Look at all these children. So we've got, look at these house points and merits these children have earned. Mason on 91, Alex on 92, Tudor on 110, a huge number of house points. And similarly in Miss Marshall's, we've got Eliza on 80, Beatrix on 90, and Scarlett on 95, a huge number of house points. Amazing, amazing work. The top three, here we go. Oh, look at these though, in Miss White's and Miss Barrett's class as well. Look at the number of house points. You've got Rion 158, Oliver 160, Mutar 174, a huge number of house points, really well done. And then similarly in Miss Barrett's, we've got Nala on 178, Ramya 206, and Tyler 211. Well done guys, keep it up, keep earning those merits and house points, you superstars. Well done. Onto our English stars, our Year 3 English stars are none other than here they are, Ida Rose, we've got Scarlett, we've got Penny, and we've got Tudor. So well done you four, keep up that amazing work, enjoy taking your English certificates home with you today, you absolute superstars, well done. On to our reading stars. Now these guys have been reading every single day, look here they are, we've got Alita, we've got Olivia, we've got Sophia, and we've got Honey. Well done you four, big smiles, not only going home with a certificate, but you'll be going home with a reading book as well, well done. On to our math stars. Look at these mathematicians we have. Yes, we've got Emily, we've got Logan, we've got Caden, and we've got Mason. So well done guys, I know you've been working so hard on your math mastery lessons, all your number bonds and everything, so really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home. Your superstar. Big smiles from Mr. Allen as well. Well done. On to our scientists. Look at these scientists in Year 3. Oh, look at this. So we've got Marcy, we've got Adil, we've got Lexi, we've got Mimi. You can see them in their science outfits as well on their books. So really well done. Huge congratulations guys. Big smiles again from Mr. Allen and really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home, you superstar scientists. Well done. On to our history stars and our history stars. Casey May, Vitteris, Scarlett and Orson. I know you guys are really inquisitive, finding all about history and really enjoying your talk. Look at that beautiful smile there, Orson. Really well done guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Our geography stars, look at these geography stars. We've got Beatrix, we've got Danelius, Anna Maria, and we've got Noah. So well done, you absolutely super. Look at these geography stars. Look, right in UK as well, so they know exactly where they live, all pointing to Norfolk and Norwich, so we know exactly where we live on the map. So well done, guys. Huge congratulations, you geography stars. Well done. Our PE stars, look how physically active these guys are. Look at them. So we've got Scarlett, we've got Sophie, we've got Monica, and we've got Jack. So really well done, you guys. Congratulations on earning yourself your PE star certificates. I know you're physically active. Keep up that physical activity as well, all the way over the Easter holidays as well. Not too many Easter eggs. So well done, you Year 3s, you absolute superstars. On to Year 4, and our Year 4 English stars are Esme, Logan, Charlie, and Gabrielle. Well done, guys. Well done, Gabrielle. That big smile again. You should be smiling, guys. You've just earned yourself your English certificate. So well done. Onto our reading stars. Now these guys are reading every single day. Look at them. Look. So we've got Mia, we've got Jacob, we've got Brown, and we've got Alfie. Big smile again from Alfie, but well done guys. Keep up that reading. It's brilliant to see. And not only are you going to get a certificate, you're going to get a reading book to read over Easter as well. So well done. Onto our Year 4 math stars, our mathematicians. Here they are, George, Riley, Jacob and Luna. Absolutely brilliant. I like that maths there. They've got them all in size as well. Look at that height order as well. So well done, Miss Barrett. It's really good. Good bit of maths there going on. Well done, guys. Enjoy taking your maths certificate home with you today. You absolute superstars. Well done. On to our scientists. Look at these scientists. Look, Daria, Mohammed, Sky and Nala. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that. I know they've really enjoyed their science throughout this term. So well done you four. Enjoy taking your certificate home and keep up that science. Keep being inquisitive as well, finding out things. So really well done. Our geography stars, look at these geography stars. Here they are. We've got Rion, we've got Cece, we've got Lacey, and we've got Mason. So well done guys. Huge congratulations. I know everyone's been really enjoying their geography this term as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You absolute superstars. Well done. Our historians in Year 4 are, there's Omo, Leland, Bo and Oliver. That big smile, Oliver. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations. I know you've been working so hard on your history, you're really enjoying it as well. So well done. And keep up that amazing work through next term as well. So you can get yourselves another certificate. Well done. And our PE stars, look at these guys being really physically active. Here they are. We've got Alex, Esme, Marley and Olivia. Well done, guys. I know you've been working so hard in PE lessons, but not here, at break and lunchtimes as well. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. You absolute superstars. And here we go. Look at this. Golden ticket winners throughout this term. Look at all the names that are coming up now who've earned themselves a golden ticket since January. Look at this. Here they are. Look at that. A page full of them. So well done. You'll see, recognise some of those names because they've earned themselves certificates as well, which is no surprise. So well done to all of those children. See if you can spot your name there. Well done, everyone. Huge congratulations. Another opportunity. We've got another 12 weeks to earn more golden tickets after the Easter holidays. So see if you can earn yourself your second one in year 3 or year 4, guys. So really well done, all of you. Amazing number of certificates there for all of you and golden tickets. So well done to all of you. Yes, the attendance league, here we go. The attendance league is over for the spring term. We get at the top 3 to see who the top 3 are. And they are in 3rd place, Miss Musselwhite on 113. So well done, Miss Musselwhite, going on the trip, snuck in there into the top 3. Who's in 2nd place? Yes, Miss White. Well done to those year 4s. 140 points. You absolute superstars. Really well done, Miss White. Guys, I know you'll all be cheering now. You get to go on your trip. So well done, guys. And in 1st place, Miss Hall. Look at those year 2s snuck in there by 2 points. Just topping the attendance league to hold on to the shield for the spring term. So well done to those year 2, year 4 and year 5. Huge congratulations to all of you. Enjoy your trip to Bewilderwood after Easter, you superstars. Well done. Final message from Mr. Allen. Obviously, school closed today at 3:15. Yes, ready for the Easter holidays. So, last day of school today, and we're back to school after the Easter on Monday, the 17th of April, 2023. Not all schools are. Some schools have got Inset days. We don't. We are back to school. Gates are open at 8:30 on Monday, the 17th of April, 2023. And see you all then. Have a fantastic Easter and stay safe. Until then, bye-bye now.